Can humidifiers damage my HVAC system? Yes, a humidifier can damage your HVAC system if it is poorly installed, set too high, or not maintained, but a properly used unit is generally safe. A humidifier adds moisture to dry air, and that moisture should enter the airstream in a controlled amount. If the humidity level becomes too high, water can collect inside ducts, on cooling coils, or around the furnace cabinet. This can cause rust, mold growth, unpleasant odors, and damage to electrical parts. Excess moisture can also make insulation wet, which reduces its ability to protect your home and may lead to expensive repairs. A common target for indoor humidity is about 30 to 50%, although the best setting depends on the outdoor temperature in your home. During very cold weather, too much indoor moisture can create water on windows, walls, and attic surfaces because warm, damp air meets cold materials. Some whole-house humidifiers use a water panel that should usually be replaced once each heating season, while steam models need regular cleaning to prevent mineral buildup. Check the drain line, water supply, wiring, and humidity control regularly, and have a qualified technician inspect the system if you see leaks, rust, mold, or unusual furnace behavior. One common mistake is setting the humidifier too high because the air still feels dry, so use a humidity gauge instead of guessing and lower the setting when windows begin to fog. Another mistake is ignoring the water panel, drain, or nozzle, so follow the manufacturer's cleaning and replacement schedule and make sure water flows only where it should. A less obvious problem is installing a humidifier where its water vapor cannot mix properly with heated air, so have the unit positioned and sized for your specific furnace and ductwork rather than choosing a model by price alone. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.